Drew right here. Coming to you. Dad, over your head, Dad.
Hey, he's still down right there.
Yeah, I knocked one.
Here.
Easy, dude. Get a bird.
Hazel, come. Here.
There's a couple in the tree.
Yeah.
Sage, dead bird.
What? Hazel.
Sage, dead bird.
Dead here. Come on.
Dead bird, Sage.
Come on. Here. Dead here.
You see that one, Dad?
You get this one on the line towards me.
Right here. Right on you.
Okay.
He's looking at you.
Okay. Get him.
He's looking back at you. Whoa! Well, that one's dead. There might not be much left of it. It's in the opening right there. Well, then I heard it flutter.
Hey, dead bird. This way.
I got Mark, Brant. Yeah, it didn't get in the thick stuff.
Dead bird. Hey, here. Here. Here.
About 15 in front of you, right on the edge, right there. She got right in there, right there. She's pointing it. Right there. That's it.
Okay, hey.
Say, Drew, cover that.
Okay. Get that bird. Get that bird. Okay.
I say, go kick them.
Get that bird. Get that bird. Get that bird. Where'd you at? Get it. Get it. Get that bird. Where you at? Okay, let's go. Oh, good girl.
I thought she had it. That's 2 birdie for her. 3. Hey, Sage got it.
I think that was the one I hit.
Well, we had one go right here too, but
I don't know. I'm just messing. I don't know. I don't think I hit this one. That's got one that flew right this direction.
Bobby's been calling. There's one right here since we come back.
That's it. He got the second one to come up. He said he got it and seen it. Bank left. Oh. There was a couple come back. One went that way and one went back down there. And we jumped this one up.
Good shot, Bobby. I'll go, Drew, if you want me to, because, hey, hang on. Y'all come around a little bit. I'm going to let Brant come up here just a little bit. Okay, get those birds. Get those birds. Get the birds. Get them. I should have shot it.
There ought to be another one in here.
Drew!
There it is. Come on, Dad, Debbie.
That's too close. I want to shoot, but it's too close to him.
I'd be shooting right over him.
I was hoping they would.
Dead bird, Hazel. See it?
Hey, Drew, listen to Bobby. Watch Bobby. He knows where it's at. I don't know why I'm calling back. I just let them all go get the bird like a dummy.